quick tips, folks. If you're a motorcyclist, stay away from big trucks. But at this point, we're heading straight to Tincock Road. We're nearer to the mountains. Beautiful! That's the power, the fun of a motorcycle. The freedom. Rebel. There's literally still some raindrops over our head, so I guess we need to do the cooking under the tree. So here we are. So what we got here, this backpack from the Hiker Workshop Type-2 Lavender Grey limited edition. The colorway is very nice. It's between purple and grey. This colorway of the DCF is a little bit more expensive than the usual one, the white one. So with the same price compared to the white Type 2, this will be a great pick. Let me put my raincoat on real quick. Okay, all set. For those who are new to camping, or you've been a while searching for camping materials, DCF is called Dyneema composite fabric. This fabric is so special. It is very wear and tear resistant, and it has a very high abrasion resistant ability. So it is more durable than the usual fabrics like woven or nylon, and it is waterproof. Many people buy gear made of DCF because they want the ability to be waterproof, and that's why camping gear that is made of DCF is so sought after. So let's take a look at the bag, what we have in here. So first off, the Type 2 is a 7-litre plus the 3 litres outer bag backpack. So it has a total capacity of 20 litres. So at the outside I put my water bottles and some tissues. And in the upper outer pocket I have my camera, and you can put keys in here. So keep in mind that it is very abrasion resistant. So even you put keys, you put scissors, it doesn't affect. So you can see outside there are some cords that protect your gear from not dropping out. The back of the backpack, there's not too much support. I can't say it's really breathable. You can see the foams is not too thick, but I think it's okay for an overnight hiking. Regarding it is a 20-litre pack, you can't look for more. For the back support, it's fair, but I can't say it's great. So I just went to supermarket, so I bought a coffee, drip coffee for myself, and a fish, a kabayaki, a seat pad from Firmares, a titanium cup, and a gas canister as our fuel for cooking, and a tracking table from Vern, a 3-litre water bag from Hydra Pack, really durable, highly recommended, and my cooking tool from anonymous brand, but I use it a lot, and as you can see the coating is a bit worn off. Be careful to that. The salt and pepper that I use to bring a lot, rice utensils, and our burner, and most importantly the igniter, the lighter. So there you go, that's all I packed for today's picnic. Nothing special, nothing's fancy, just enough to bring what I need, but obviously you can put more clothing in here to change after maybe a long hike or what, but overall it's a very good backpack for 1 or 2 days. So what we're going to cook today is kabayaki rice. Very simple. So first of all, we need to roast the rice. Pour the water out. And we add some water for cooking. No need to do too much calculation, just by your experience. Camping is like that. And in the meantime, we look at the kabayaki. Such a long fish, and later we cut into half and we'll put it in the rice. This backpack is lighter than you thought. It's only 440 grams. They got the YKK zippers, they got the cords, the cordage, all the plastic components from Woojin Plastic. I believe it is a Korean company. They have factories in Korea and Vietnam. They got many good productions of the basic components. So if you plan to DIY your bag, you can buy the components from them. You got the X-Pack laminated fabric. All the stitches are carefully sewn. It feels premium just by feeling it by hand, so it is a really good product from Korea. It's not a sponsor video, but I just want to say that is a really good purchase that I made. I pulled the trigger a few days ago. It shipped to me very quickly. Thank you, Hiker Workshop. You did a really great job on the Type 2. So let's put it on the table and let it rest for a while. I think we wait about for 4 to 5 minutes and we can enjoy our meal. Looks amazing. I had fun today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Very soon, very soon.